How to sort data in Excel but keep rows together. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Excel, select any cell, then click on data at the top. After you click on data at the top, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on sort at the top, which is beside filter, and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. At the top right, make sure there's tick mark in my data has headers. Then in sort by, as you can see from headers, I have chose month, then cell values, and order A to Z, and then press on OK. After that, as you can see, it is sort by A to Z of the month, and rows are kept together. And this is how to sort data in Excel but keep rows together. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.